we talked about an acrostic poem and what that is. And today we're going to talk about a Cinquain poem. And a Cinquain poem is another poem that does not rhyme, but it follows a pattern. And the pattern is 5 lines and it contains 11 words about you. Okay, so on here it says about you. The example I'm going to do is my dog. So it doesn't have to be you, because I know when we did our acrostic poem, I had you do your name. So this one can be a Cinquain poem about anybody or anything. But it's made up of 5 lines. And the first line is one word. That one word is going to be your name or the name of whatever you're doing. The second line is going to be 2 words that describe yourself. Line 3 is 3 words of things you like to do. The fourth line is a 4-word phrase that's a statement or feelings. And line 5 is 1 word. It'll be the last name. Okay? So the example on the paper is about Henry. Henry is funny and happy. Henry, things that he likes to do: baseball, games, reading. And you'll notice in the second line and the third line, between the 2 words and the 3 words, there's a comma. So when you write yours, you need to include that comma in your writing. Okay, and then the 4-word phrase he put was starting to learn math, and then his last name, Smith. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's our 11 words. And you'll notice this is kind of centered. All right. Whenever we write things, when you did your acrostic poem, you started right next to that pink line. Well, this one is centered. And so let me show you an example. All right. So here's your paper. It's going to be literature. You're going to put your name, number, date, and then you're going to title it Cinquain Poem. I know that's kind of a funny word. All right. And so my Cinquain poem is going to be about my dog, Bentley. So that first line, let me move this where you can see it. And I didn't send home this paper, but it will be on the email if you need to look at it to help you know how to do it. Okay. So the first line is 1 word. And so the name I chose is Bentley. Okay. And then the second line, 2 words to describe yourself. So 2 words that I would use to describe Bentley is brown. There's my comma. And large. He's a big dog. He weighs about 85 pounds. He's a big dog. All right, so there's line 1. Here's line 2. Line 3, I'm going to write 3 words of things that Bentley likes to do. So the first one, sleep. He's kind of a lazy dog. Okay, the second one, comma, cuddle. And I've told you before, we'll be sitting on the couch or in our chair watching a movie, and he will come and he will climb and sit up on your lap. He thinks he's a small dog because he loves to be right close to where we are. And then the last one, play. He likes to play with our smaller dog, Higgins, even though Higgins doesn't like that. And he also likes to go, like if you throw his toys, he likes to go get those and bring them back to you. All right, and then the last one, or the line 4, says 4-word phrase, and it can be a statement or a feeling. So the statement I chose was enjoys being with Cabron. Bentley loves everybody in our family, but there's just something about Cabron. He likes to be with her, likes to sit with her, he sleeps with her, he follows her around, he just enjoys being with her. And then the last one, 1 word, his last name, Anderson. Okay, so there's my Cinquain. And look at it, I didn't start it next to that pink line. It's centered. It's not perfect, not perfectly centered, and that's okay. You just do your best, okay? So have fun with this one, and I'll talk to you later.